It is rightly said, if you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Hi, this is Miss Oriana Falcao. Nature is God's great gift to all of us. Everything that is needed by humans to thrive and survive is provided by nature. Nature is the mother of all creations on our earth. The bright sunshine, the beautiful mountains, the showers of rain, the blooming flowers, the fresh air to breathe in, crystal clear water to drink, and of course, mouth watering food to eat are all gifts of nature. Nature does not arise spontaneously, but needs years and years to bloom and blossom. We are gifted with so many things by nature, but what are we giving in return to our Mother Earth? Our ignorance has begun to cause severe problems. Our Mother Earth is facing an existential threat of climate disruption and coronavirus. It is a call to us to take corrective action. In Fratelli Tutti, Pope Francis emphasizes that we all live in a common home, our Mother Earth, and proposes that we take concrete action and restore the world to its beautiful natural form. In this video, we will show you how we at Canossa School Andheri have been trying to create awareness in our students to inspire and do things to take care of our Mother Earth. We don't always need to do something big to show our love to our Mother Earth, but can start with something simple and small which will go a long way to achieve our goal of a beautiful Mother Earth. The two short video clips we will see are among the several things our students and school are doing for nature.
Hello everyone, my name is Nehal Sawant and I am from Canossa High School, Andheri. So today we are going to make seed bombs. So let's start. The seeds I took is pumpkin seeds, this is bitter gourd seeds, and these are lemon seeds, and this is wet mud. So we are just gonna start making a ball out of it. Now we are just gonna make a hole in it and put one seed in it. So our first seed ball is ready. So in this way I am gonna make the 4 to 5 seed balls. Our seed bombs are ready and now I'm gonna let it dry for 4 to 5 hours. Our seed bombs are dried and I also made this paper box to gift, so we transfer these balls into it. So our seed bombs are ready to give.
Hello everyone, I'm Stisha D'Souza from Canossa High School, Andheri, and my topic today is grafting, taking a sapling from the mother plant. I will show you all a step-by-step procedure. Take a cutting from the existing plant. Then you have to take 5 to 6 inches from the tip of the plant to the diagonal. Remove the leaves from the bottom of the stem. Now scrape the skin. This is called wounding. Keep the plant in a bottle of water for rooting purpose. Later on, you can plant it in soil. Happy gardening! You can use them as house decor or also for gifting purposes.
I hope you all are convinced how easily and with minimal effort we can do little things that can help and inspire all of us, children and adults alike, to do big things for our Mother Earth and for the ultimate benefits of all living beings. Our students' awareness to such causes is our success as teachers and educators.